In this video on connected farming, you will learn more about connectivity's potential for value creation with the Internet of Farming. Connected farming is a technological approach allowing farmers to constantly monitor and manage all agricultural processes and get a complete view of the entire farming cycle. IoT-based smart sensors transmit data to each other in the IoT ecosystem, allowing farmers to collect, sort out and handle it from multiple sensors installed on the drones, equipment and in the fields. Connected farming or smart farming is based on the principle that sensors are embedded throughout every stage of the farming production cycle and on every asset. These sensors collect data and transmit it to a central platform, cloud-based system, for further storage and processing via a connectivity network, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. Before data analysis, data is stored on private, public or hybrid servers or cloud storage. Afterward, all the processed data is presented on the mobile software application deployed in the framework of a particular farm setup. Accumulated with big data and AI algorithms, actionable insights are available for farmers to make better decisions. Let's look at the most common use cases of connected farming. First is herds tracking. IoT wireless technology enables farmers to identify health issues of their animals in advance and prevent disease outbreaks and herd infections. Second is crop monitoring. Through connected devices, farmers obtain extended opportunities to monitor and manage their processes remotely on a 24-hour basis without being physically present at their premises and fields. Deploying advanced connectivity into agricultural activities does not come without challenges, and among them are the following. Precision farming requires significant knowledge and investment. While big farming players are slowly deploying digital tools for precision farming, small agricultural businesses mostly lack the necessary connectivity infrastructure. Poor connectivity in rural areas. Despite today's progress in connectivity, the issue of mobile network and satellite coverage is still a pressing problem in remote rural locations and in developing countries. In order to transmit large amounts of data, farmers need to handle internet connection in advance, which again leads to significant investments that are not possible for the majority of farmers. Without a well-elaborated software implementation plan that aligns with your specific business needs, your project is prone to failure. Whether it's precision farming, crop monitoring, supply chain management, or data analytics, our comprehensive suite of agricultural software solutions can empower your business to thrive in the digital age. Partner with Heuristic and unlock the full potential of your agricultural operations with cutting-edge technology and unparalleled expertise. Thank you for watching. If you still have questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.